The ticket app allows us to get a list of all the tickets that were created on a certain day. It allows us to export and download those, but also just lets us go take a look. Now, if you want to configure the system to save certificates, that's the detailed batch results that include the weights, but don't want to print them, maybe just keep them for historical purposes. And let's say at a later date there was a issue with the load and you want to go back and print it out, you can do that. But so a date range is selected. As soon as the ticket app's open, you have to select a range. We'll show loads from yesterday and today. Again, these are just test loads. We can filter by customer name, job number if we want, but let's just search this, and you can see here that we batch some loads, and for each load there's usually a certificate and a load ticket. And if we want to just look back at those, we just click on it, and you can see that. Alright, now if we don't want to see the certs and we only want to show tickets, we can just filter that. And also if there's canceled loads that we don't want to see, we can filter those out as well. So basically 4 tickets that we did yesterday or this morning. Okay, let's show those. If you want to print one, let's say you're in your office and you've logged in remotely, you would want to print locally. That's going to pop up. A print preview, and then when you click print, you'll get the standard print dialog. You can choose your printer. Now, if you want to print at the plant to the default printers that are configured, because during a batch, the load ticket gets printed automatically, and so you can use that same printer and that same functionality by hitting print at plant. Okay. What an export allows you to do is if you want to create a comma separated value file of all your jobs, you can do that by hitting export. And then once you've exported these, you can download. This single day export means if you just select the starting date, and you'll get the 1 day 24-hour period of all tickets created. Now, if you a quicker way, if you just want to look at a ticket of something that was just batched, is from the load screen. Here is your batch ticket icon, and here is your cert. So instead of going to the tickets app, you can just always quick take a look. If you had a question about the materials that went in there, or who batched it, or what time it was batched, you can do that, or the price. Okay. All right, and again, a lot of this stuff is configurable, whether it shows the price and stuff like this. Is just a default ticket. We for every customer, we do a customized ticket. If they have pre-printed forms, we configure that to print on this. This is just a default ticket that prints on a blank piece of paper. Okay, that's about it for the tickets, the ticket app here. And you can look at this date range, can be as large as you want. You can look at tickets from years ago if you would like. All right, thanks for watching.